Hey guys, welcome back to another Noble video. Today we're going to be taking a look at our fog light delete covers. So we currently offer these in three options. You can get the matte black unpainted version, you can get the Cyrsyal Black Silica OEM paint, or you can get the World Rally Blue OEM paint. We may come up with other options in the future. Maybe we'll have a carbon fiber one or something. So we'll see how these do. We'll see how you guys like them. Here it is. It is just a full cover, and this sort of has that OEM retro style from the old STIs where they had the fog light covers that said STI on them. So it does look really cool when they are installed. I currently do not have fog lights or turn signals in the bumper. So this vehicle already doesn't have fog lights. These are the OEM STI fog bezels. But if you have upgraded headlights that already have the turn signals in them and you don't use your fog lights, or maybe you got a car that didn't come with fog lights or turn signals, you can buy these. So these are a great option because, well, they look aggressive. And if you do still have the stock turn signal and fog light and you don't want to remove them and cause hyperflash issues with your aftermarket lights and that sort of thing, you can just cover them up with this. The install is really easy. So I don't even have tools out here with me, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my fingers in here and pop it out, just like that. It's that easy. I got a little connector hanging down there. If you have different bezels and you can't kind of grab them with your hands, you can use like a plastic pry tool or something in the corners and work your way out. It's easiest to start with the top or bottom corner. So now we have our replacement piece. We're gonna start with the back half. We're gonna put this side in first. And once that's in, we can just sort of press it into place, work our way around to the front and the bottom. And just like that, it's installed. You have a nice factory mirror finish on the paint, and this is perfectly paint matched to the Cyrsyal Black Silica. So it's gonna give us a more factory look. You can also go with the matte black option, which I'll show you here in a second. So there it is. It's a really simple install. I'm gonna show you a couple shots with this thing installed, as well as some of the matte black version on Damien's white WRX beside me. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's install video. I appreciate you checking it out. I will leave a link for these in the description of the video as always, and we'll see you guys in the next one.